this is your spacious living area. You can check out the interior to your kitchen area with the open kitchen concept. Go further towards your master bedroom, the uniqueness with the flooring. So now this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1620 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this. So once you enter, here on the main entrance, they are providing you with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And this is your spacious living area. You can check out the interior work as well for your reference. This is the TV unit space, this is your sofa space, and one point. In living area, they have even provided you with a window which is over opposite side. So here is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And about this, you can mention it that this is a center of your house where they have set your dining area. The dining table is easily accessed to your kitchen area with the open kitchen concept. So you can even check out the interior work with the platforms, the cabinets, and this is your utility area, which is divided with a tile rope and with anti-skid tiles as well. In utility area as well, they have provided a window for ventilation purpose. Now that space is your dining area, so you can use this way, you can utilize this way in a multi-purpose way. So basically here they have provided the balcony. So here comes the balcony, which is 3-side covered with iron railing and here with anti-skid tiles as well. Now let's move towards your bedroom space. So your 2 bedrooms are over this side. Let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. So this is your bedroom number 1, the spacious bedroom. So you can check out the bed space, the window over here, the wardrobe space over this side. And now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. So the bedroom number 2 is exactly beside this bedroom. So this is your bedroom. The interior work speaks out for themselves. Like this is your kids' bedroom. The bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, and even they have added up a study table as well. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with the features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All those wonderful features under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Quickly register yourself and schedule your free site visit. Now about the master bedroom is just over this side, but before that, about the common washroom is over here. So this is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. The spacious washroom. And now let's move further towards your master bedroom. The uniqueness with the flooring, that is your wooden finishing tiles. This is the bed space, your dressing area, the wardrobe space, and about the balcony. So here they are providing you with the spacious balcony. So this is the spacious balcony which gives you 3-side open view, anti-skid tiles and with iron railing. So you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view of your city. Now this bedroom is even attached to your washroom as well. So this side comes the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. And as you all know, we are here in Anjanapura location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information of the project is provided in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.